Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use Notion for School in 2024 with a free template that makes organizing your schedule, assignments, and to-do lists so much easier. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to grab a powerful school dashboard template, personalize it for your classes and activities, and set yourself up for stress-free productivity all semester long. Let's jump right in, starting from the basics. First things first, you'll need to open up Notion. If you're already familiar, just log in. And if you're new, don't worry. Notion is completely free to get started with. Once your dashboard loads, look to the top left of the screen. There's a menu icon there that leads to more options for your workspace. Go ahead and click on that. Think of this like opening the command center for your whole Notion experience. It's where you'll find ways to add new pages, organize your workspace, and, most importantly for us today, browse ready-made templates. Now, in this menu, you'll see an option to Browse Templates. This is a goldmine for anyone trying to save time or get inspired with layouts that have already been designed. Click on Browse Templates, and you'll see a search bar right at the top. Type in School. Notion will pull up a selection of templates specifically designed for students. These are templates that other people have used and love to keep their academic lives on track. Find one that's called something like School Dashboard or similar. There might be a few to choose from, and each will look a little different. Don't stress too much about picking the perfect one. You can always change things up later as you figure out what works best for you. When you've found the dashboard that catches your eye and seems to fit your needs, go ahead and click on it. You should see a preview of what's included. Things like spaces for your subjects, assignment lists, weekly schedules, even spots for notes or important deadlines. Hit the Add button to bring that template into your own workspace. This usually only takes a few seconds. Once it's imported, you'll have your own copy, ready to customize. Here's where things get fun and personal. Take a minute to look around. You'll notice that most school dashboards are divided into sections like subjects, to-dos, and often a calendar or week-at-a-glance view. To start customizing, simply click into any section and edit it. Add your current classes, maybe math, English, history, or chemistry, by typing them directly into the subjects list. I recommend entering all the courses you have this semester, even electives or extracurriculars, so you truly have everything in one spot. For your to-do list, you'll often find days of the week, like Mondays through Fridays, already set up for you. Use these to plan out homework, projects, quizzes, or club meetings. Maybe Mondays are heavy on assignments and Fridays are full of group work. Either way, you can reflect your real schedule here. If you have recurring activities, like sports practice or a study group, add those too. It's like building your own roadmap for success. Everything visible at a glance. Remember, personalizing a template isn't just about filling in boxes. Add emojis, colors, or little icons that make categories stand out or simply make your dashboard feel friendly and motivating. If you're worried about making mistakes, Notion's undo feature is super forgiving, so play around until things feel just right. And don't forget, you can always come back later and tweak things. Maybe you change classes mid-semester or want to reorganize how assignments show up. And that's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can go from chaotic sticky notes to a streamlined Notion dashboard that tracks every part of your academic life. Give yourself some time to get used to your new setup. And don't be afraid to experiment with other templates or extra features. Notion has tons of helpful tools you can explore when you're ready. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Drop any questions you have about Notion or organizing for school in the comments, and let me know how you customized your own dashboard. And if you want more step-by-step guides for boosting your productivity, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your studies.